Here's the inside of the newer floating ghost bar. See what I mean? It's cracked. That's why the hook doesn't work. And that side's like that. And that's cracked. And I gotta fix this. Here, maybe I could show you how to fix them right now. I hope the battery doesn't run out. It's gonna soon. Just have to unscrew these two. First, there's rubber belts in case they snap. You can get new ones. This is what the newer ones, this is what I was talking about. It's still doing that. The wire's really off. And she's really down low. I don't even know how in the world she did that. She is not going to be getting to the top really. And the string is snapping. It's actually not coming detached. It's actually breaking the string. Like I said, when the head goes up with the hands at the same exact time like you just saw it when it was doing that, that's how they snap. That's the only ones that snap. That's why that one doesn't snap. But see, look at the hand. That's going to break soon. It might even today. And that one doesn't do that. That one's hand does that, so that hand will break soon. It's just too bad that they're made like that, but I guess fishing line ain't that strong after all. Especially when it's getting rubbed and wrinkled all the time. And you lift this up. The string is in there, see that hole? It's been a while since this one got fixed. Uh-oh. Wire came detached from somewhere. Gotta see. Huh? Maybe it's the release button. Nope. But this wire's off. Well. Oh, I bet it's off the motion detector, I think. Or the sound. Nope, motion detector. Oh well, that never gets used. Anyways, the string's in there. I'll have to pause it when I open it up.